In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken links in Squarespace using URL redirects. Let's dive in and make your website's navigation smooth and user-friendly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Simply go to the Squarespace website and locate the login button. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it to initiate the login process. From here, opt to continue with Google for a straightforward and quick sign-in if your account is linked that way. This option is particularly handy as it saves you from manually entering your username and password each time. After logging in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the specific website where you need to address those pesky broken links. This will take you to the dashboard of that particular site where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Next, we need to navigate to the settings. Look for the settings tab. It's usually located in the main navigation menu of your site's dashboard. Click on this tab to reveal a list of options for customizing various aspects of your website. Once inside the settings, you will need to find and click on Developer Tools. This section is a treasure trove of functionality that allows for more technical modifications of your website. Once you're inside Developer Tools, you should see an option called URL Mappings. Click on URL Mappings to proceed to the area where you can add or modify redirects. Now it's time to redirect those broken links. To do this, you'll need to type in your URL code. The format you'll use here is quite straightforward. It's a pairing of the old URL, the one that's currently broken, with the new URL to which you want it to redirect. This system makes it so that anytime someone tries to visit the broken link, they will be automatically redirected to the new page without encountering any error messages. Make sure that these URLs are typed correctly to ensure that users are directed to the correct pages. It's a good practice to double check each entry for typos or errors before finalizing your changes. Once you're satisfied with your entries, the final step is to save your work. You'll see a save button, typically at the bottom or top of the page. Go ahead and click on save to commit all changes you've made. By saving your work, you ensure that all redirects are correctly implemented and active on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed broken links on your Squarespace site with URL redirects. This essential maintenance helps enhance the user experience by ensuring that visitors can effortlessly navigate your website. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to keep your website running smoothly.